हाय, माझं नाव जान्हवी. मी मुंबईवरून आली आहे आणि आम्ही एक 25 लोक आलेलो फॉर माय बर्थडे देवराई कॅम्पिंगला श्रीवर्धन. इट्स व्हेरी ब्युटिफुल प्लेस आणि सगळ्यांनी एकदा तरी यावं, एक्सपिरियन्स घ्यावा. स्टार गेजिंग खूप सुंदर आहे, तुम्ही ते करू शकतात. फूड छान आहे, स्टे खूप छान आहे. तुम्ही येऊन एकदा नक्की एक्सपिरियन्स करा.
Hi, my name is Swati and we have come to Devrai camping. We were like around 29 people. And if you want a peaceful atmosphere, you can come here. If you want adventure, you can come here. If you want a homely food, you can come here. So overall, you will get everything. They have a great knowledge about wildlife and mangroves and vegetation. You'll get organic vegetable grown, and then you can have stargazing, planet gazing. They have a big telescope where they'll show you all that time whichever planet is there. So big, huge telescope. So we had amazing night here, and we did camping, and then we slept in under the roof and everything. Had a great fun. Overall, it was amazing experience. Thank you.
हॅलो, मी प्रमोद पाटील, नवी मुंबई नेरूळवरून आलो आहे. आम्ही टोटल जवळजवळ 30 लोक आलो आहे. देवराई कॅम्प म्हणून आहे इथे. हे इथलं सराउंडिंग आहे एकदम नेचर, एवढे नेचर एकदम जंगल आहे ना, हे असं मी फर्स्ट टाइम इथे बघितलेलं आहे. थँक टू देवराई कॅम्प.
Hi, I'm Ashi. I'm from Mumbai. I came to Devrai camping with my family for a family reunion. It was really good. I loved it. In the morning we went for a morning trek. There it was really fun. I could get to see a lot of new creatures, a few birds which I didn't see in the city. And the food was great. I loved it. Especially the veg pulao I had. It was really good.
What about the stay?
The stay was nice. It was cold at night, but I really loved the watching Saturn and the moon from the telescope. It was really fun. I loved it. And then we lived in a tent. We lived in a tent on the terrace. It was really good. It was like warm in the tent, but outside it was cool. It was perfect. I really liked it.